What if you could launch a real paying business this weekend with less than $200? These are real-world side hustles you can actually start now. Forget passive income dreams. Here are 5 low-investment business ideas built around service work with genuine demand this year. First up, a mobile detailing business. For around $100 in supplies, you can clean cars at clients' homes or offices, no storefront needed. List your service on free platforms like Nextdoor or Facebook Marketplace, and your first customer could book within hours. Number 2, a pressure washing business. A basic electric pressure washer runs under $200, and driveways, patios, and fences need cleaning year-round. One job can cover your equipment cost, making this one of the fastest service businesses to break even on. Third, window cleaning. A squeegee kit costs under $30, and residential window cleaning is a service most homeowners will gladly pay for. Fourth, pet sitting and dog walking. Apps like Rover let you create a free profile and start accepting bookings almost immediately. Fifth, junk removal. If you have access to a truck or trailer, people will pay you to haul away clutter, and you can often resell what you collect. Each of these can be scaled using free local SEO, a Google business profile, and social media. No big marketing budget required. The honest trade-off, these hustles take real time and physical effort, but startup costs are low and demand is consistent. If this breakdown was useful, hit subscribe for more practical side hustle ideas every week.